ETI has 3 surface mount lines to assemble low to medium assembly projects, with capacity over 1 million total boards per year, operating 3 shifts. ETI's surface mount lines are capable of chip placement of 0402 fine pitch and BGA placement with X-ray testing. Experienced engineers will work with you on projects involving engineering design, circuit board layout, and chip programming. ETI's automated optical inspection ensures correct component placement and solderability to reduce opportunities for defects and minimize project costs. The axial machine places through-hole components with accuracy and speed. Some through-hole components must be placed by hand using color-coded documentation to meet customer specifications. The process moves the circuit boards to a wave soldering machine. The circuit board then passes over the wave of molten solder to fuse the through-hole components to the board. ETI assembles to workmanship standards of IPC A610 Class 2 and 3. ETI has highly experienced engineers for design for manufacturability, or DFM, and design for testing, or DFT, to ensure best production methods and practices. ACH, American Cable and Harness, is ETI's cable and wire harness assembly division. Here, custom-made wire harnesses and cables are constructed to meet customer specifications. From 28-gauge wire to 250 MCM cable and braided wire, ACH's cables and wire harnesses have a broad range of capabilities. Employees assemble at work cells to ensure efficient and flexible turnaround upon customer need and demand. All employees are trained and assembled to workmanship standards of IPC WHMA A620. At final inspection, all cables and wire harnesses are matched to customer documentation and specifications, providing our customers with the highest level of quality and accuracy. In the box build division, ETI constructs the electronics for customers in our point-of-use cellular work cells. Custom-made cords assembled in ETI's cable and harness division are built into the control box. ETI procures the components and enclosures. Again, all point-to-point wire harnesses are custom-made in the cable and harness division. In this example, ETI has mounted the PLC and various motor drives and the electricals fastened to a backplate. All the wire labeling is done in-house, including these wrap labels. ETI also assembled this printed circuit board in-house. Detailed and organized layout aids in the reliability of the final product. Once the box build is complete, it's programmed and functionally tested per customer instructions. This ensures high level of product reliability and performance. ETI also provides a safety stock program to meet customer fluctuations in demand of product, reducing overall customer cost. The receiving department inspects all product according to purchase order and counts to ensure accuracy and superior customer service. We trust you enjoyed our tour, and we invite you to click on the link below to fully realize the benefits of partnering with ETI.